Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix black screen on Snapchat. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat settings on your mobile device. Once you are in this page, go ahead and tap on Permissions. Make sure that you have allowed Snapchat to access your camera. After you have made sure that Snapchat is allowed it to access your camera, tap on the arrow at the top left of your screen. Scroll down and select Storage. You now have to make sure that you have cleared your cache data on Snapchat. To do so, tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right of your screen. Once you have done this, you should be able to fix your black screen. If not, you can uninstall your Snapchat app and install it back again. And that's it. This is how you fix black screen on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.